Alright guys, so today we're at this creek. This is Otter Creek. Not sure exactly what we're going to do here yet. We might catch some crawfish, might go fishing. Don't really have any certain plans yet, but we're going to do something and have some fun, so we'll get back to you when we figure out exactly what we're going to do. But it's going to be an interesting video. Stay tuned. So I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah, there you go. Whole bunch of fish in here. Honestly though, I'm almost positive them are shad. I don't know why they're in here, but that's exactly what them things look like. If I had a cast net, I could try to catch some of them. But all up in here is a whole bunch of them. Tried to catch one with a little rooster tail. Well, not those. I was trying to catch some trout because there's trout in here. Wasn't able to get a hold of any of them though. But we'll stay down here and see if we can get anything else. But we're probably going to walk downstream a little bit in the raft. Yeah, so fishing wasn't working, so we made a spear. Homemade spear, just used a little knife and a stick. So, now we're going to go out here and see if we can spear a fish. Alright guys, there's a big sucker fish right here. We're going to see if we can get him. Oh, there's two of them. Let's see if I can get down here close enough to him. Oh, they're moving up this way. Let's follow. Yeah, they're over here. Keep moving, guys. We'll get back to you if we can get them caught. It might take a minute.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Missing. We'll get back to you if we get another one. Yeah, so here's a turtle. The box turtle sitting here on the edge. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so we came back from the river, or the creek. We weren't able to catch anything. Speared one fish, but he got off. So we're gonna try to shoot this bow. We've been working on sighting it in. It's the new bow. So, see how this goes. Put a second one in there. Just a little bit left, but we can adjust for that. Alright guys, so I think we got it sighted in pretty good. We're going to try shooting the target at 15, 20, 25, and 30 and see what it's sighted in at. So we're going to shoot it right here. This is 15 yards. Alright guys, this is 20 yards. Alright guys, here's 25. Alright guys, last shot, 30 yards. We'll check it out and see how we did. Now this is the first time I've shot it after I've tried sighting it in, so some of the shots might be really bad. see what we got here. 30 yards still off a little bit. That's what we're at. And those two right there are touching real close. It's about 15 and 20 and 25 and 30. So got to work on the 30, but yeah, that's okay. We'll get that pretty fine-tuned and hopefully get them all inside the rig. Alright guys, well that's going to be all for this video. Make sure you keep an eye out on my channel, because this week, besides Sunday of course, but all the weekdays I'm going to have new videos every single day. So hopefully they turn out pretty good and they should be pretty interesting. Got quite a bit planned this week, so stay tuned for those. But thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.